Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful plant called Calathea. There are many varieties of Calathea. This is called Calathea zebrina. It is grown as indoor plant for its beautiful leaves. The outside of the leaf, if you see, it's darker green. The inside part of these leaves are purple. This plant has streak like zebra. That is why this plant is also called zebra plant. Plant does not like very hot or very cold temperature. If it is very cold, it is better to bring this plant inside. If you want to grow this plant outdoor, keep it in shade where it gets indirect sunlight. Actually, these plants are grown in forest under the shade of tree. So it is better to keep this plant in shade where it does not get direct sunlight but it gets good bright sunlight. Water this plant when the top soil of this plant becomes slightly dry. Talking about its potting mix, I have used 1 part of perlite, 1 part of coco peat and 1 part of peat moss. Alternative soil, potting soil can be 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of compost and 1 part of sand. Whenever you are growing indoor plant, always use well drained soil so that there is a less chance of root rotting. Calathea plants are grown indoor for its beautiful look. The leaves and its foliage gives very different and a beautiful look to this plant. Nitrogen based fertilizer will be best for this plant. We can use NPK 19-19-19 once in a month, or we can make the liquid fertilizer of compost and give once in a month. Calathea love moisture, so to maintain the humidity we can keep this plant near other plants, or we can keep the humidity tray. When we are growing the plant indoor, it's difficult to maintain the humidity, so what we can do is we can keep misting and keep the top most of the soil moist. This plant can be propagated by dividing this plant while repotting. We have to be very careful while watering this plant. Overwatering may cause drooping leaves, a root and stem may rot, and underwatering may cause leaf curling and spot on this plant. So friends, this is it for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.